So the probability is that according to the survey, 2 out of 5 people have pets, and we're gonna take in account a sample space of 10 people. Okay, here we can see the probability is 2 fifths, n is 10 people, and here's the formula for the probability of binomial distribution. So here we're just going to substitute values to understand what is the probability that all people have pets. And at the end, after substituting in the formula, we obtain that the final formula is 10 combination 10 times probability to the n power times 1 minus probability to the power of 0. And at the end, this gives us as a result 0.000105. Here is the problem B. Okay, so then what is the probability that none of them have pets? Well, we repeat the process that we did before, but instead we're going to replace x with 0, and we substitute in the formula. It gives us 10 combination 0 times probability elevated to 0 times 1 minus probability elevated to the 10th power. And it gives us as an answer 0.006. It's the final answer. Problem number C. And it asks us what is the probability that at most 2 have pets. Okay, so pretty much we do the same process that we did before, but this time we are going to add the probabilities of 0, 1, and 2, and it's gonna give us our final answer. And after substituting and adding all the formulas, we get that the answer is 0 have pets is 0.006. The probability that at least one person have one pet is 0.4. And finally, the probability that 2 people have pets is 0. And the final probability is 0.12. At the end, we're gonna add these results to get our final answer. And our final answer is 0.167049.
In this problem, we will explain what is the probability of at least half of the persons having pets. That is 10c5 times 0.40 to the power of 5 times 0.60 to the power of 5 equals to 0.200. 10c6 times 0.40 to the power of 6 times 0.60 to the power of 4 equal 0.111. 10c7 times 0.40 to the power of 7 times 0.60 to the power of 3 equal 0.042. 10c8 times 0.40 to the power of 8 times 6 to the power of 2 equal 0.010. 10c9 times 0.40 to the power of 9 times 60 to the power of 1 equals 0.0015. 10c10 times 0.40 to the power of 10 times 0.60 to the power of 0 equals 0.00010. Then we will add all the answers and it will give you 0.3646. For finding the value of k, you need to add the k's and the percentages. So it will be 5k plus 25% equals 1. Then you pass the 25% to the other side, so it will be 5k equals 75%, and then k equals 75 over 5 equal 15%.
To find the expected value, you have to multiply the x, that is minus 1 times 30% plus 1 times 14% plus 3 times 11% plus 5 times 45% equals 2.42. The expected value is 2.42. The C is to find the variance. You have to multiply the x times the expected value to the square. Is minus 1 minus 2.42 to the square times 30% plus 1 minus 2.42 to the second power times 14% plus 3 minus 2.42%, 2.42 to the square times 11% plus 5 minus 2.42 to the square times 45%. The variance is 6.8236.